Right. So, right. So we'll discuss some more examples under that. Right. So under this, we'll discuss some more examples. Right. So that I can start the new part in the next class. Right. Right. You can hear me properly, right? Can you hear me, right? Yeah. So another example, if it is something like this, so this is a 100 and okay. And students, one more thing, right? Suppose now, let's say you have something like this. Tell me that before going for this, right? Okay. Can I tell now, right? Can I tell these two to be vertical opposite? Can I? Can I say these two to be vertical opposite? No, I can't say, right? I can't say because why? These two are not straight line. This is of course straight, but this is not straight, right? So these two are not vertically opposite, not vertical opposite. So understand that, right? So fine. So I just wanted to remind you that yeah, I'll be taking some time, right? So no, I'll not be finishing at 5:30 exactly. I'll be taking some time, right? Okay, right. So get back to the question. If it is like find x, find x. Any idea? Any answers? Are good. Nifla, Raiha, others. Okay, more. I don't know what's the name. Yeah, Zainab, Fazul. Yeah, yeah, Isha, Zainab. Yeah. Okay, Hamna is also fine. Others. Yeah, Hajara, good. Okay, it's like this. Yeah, Shabiha, fine. Yeah, Shafia, good. So you know that, right? So you can't say this is equal to this, right? You can't say this is equal to this also, right? You can't say this is equal to this also. You know that these two are the straight lines here. This of course a straight line, but that doesn't relate to something like vertical opposite thing because this line is not passing through this again, right? So I can say that this whole angle is equal to this whole angle. Do you people agree with that? Because for these two straight line, intersecting straight line, these two are the vertical opposite angles. That means these two angles plus this angle means I can say that 150 degree is equal to x plus 30 degree. What is the reason, students? Vertically opposite angles. Did you get that? So I'll be definitely giving a tutorial by night, inshallah, by night or yeah, by night or tomorrow morning, right? So you must remember these things, very important, right? So 150 degree, right? So I need to find x. No, my target is to find x. So plus 30. If you get plus 30 to the other side, what is the answer? It's going to be minus 30 degree. So that is x. So x is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. You got that? Everything is okay, fine. Jazra, you okay? Shahia, you understood that? Easy, enough. Yeah, bit of thinking, you have to think, right? So don't panic. Sometimes you may just put x equal 150 degree, thinking like vertical opposite. You have to exactly have the idea, right? You have to exactly have the idea on it, right? Fine. Okay, I'll give you another example. Okay, quick example, another one. I think the examples will help you to understand it better, right? So fine. Right, let's think like let's say this is m, so this is also m. Let's say this is 9 m. let's say it's like say this, how can I say that? Okay, we'll do something like this. This is M. One hundred and 10 degree, will say. I mean, this cannot be M. Find the magnitude of yeah, tell me like M. Tell me M value first of all. Let's say this is N. This is 30 degree. Oh, now fine. Now try it. Will you find the value of M and N? What is the value of M? What is the value of N? M is M 120 is 70 M. Yeah, good. Right. It's like this. So this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So you know this angle is set up to 180 degree. So that I can say that M is equal to 110 plus what is 180 degree? 110 plus 70 degree. Right. 110 plus 70 only 180. So this is okay. M is 70 degree. Yeah, good. Muhammad. Right. So what about N? Right. You know that this is 110. So what is the reason for M to be 170 degree? Right. Straight angle add up to 180 degree. Oh, I have to write that theorem. Adjacent angles on a straight line will add up to 180 degree. Right. So M is equal to 70 degree. That is fine. Right. So what is N? You know that for these two straight line, these two, consider this line and these two lines. Yeah, good. This is 110 degree. This is N and 30. That means 110 is equal to N plus 30 because these two are vertical opposite angles. So N plus 30 degree is equal to 110 degree means N is equal to 110. If you get this plus 30 degree other side, it's going to be minus 30 degree. So make sure you put the degree, right? So because this angle now, right? So N is equal to 80 degree. So I saw your answers. So that's good, right? Okay. So I'll discuss after that. The part is complete. I mean the vertical opposite thing. That means after these angles in a straight line is completely over. Then you have related to parallel lines and your some important parts are there. I can just finish by next class, inshallah. Right. So you are clear with this? Yeah. Okay, clear, right, everyone? Yeah. Clear, right? So I did it. I'll discuss another example. Huh? So if I give you like say this is A, B, and C will say this is a triangle, right? Let's say this is a 40 degree, 70 degree, so 70 from then let's say wait, I'll make it 60 degree. Okay. So tell me the value of B, magnitude of B, magnitude of A, magnitude of C. Tell me in the order B, A, C, and not A, B, C. Okay, for your easy thing that I'll give you A, B, C. Tell me the order in A, B, C, the angle magnitude. A is what? Easy enough. So two intersecting straight line. A is equal to 80 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angle. D is equal to 60 degree, right? Vertically opposite angle. Opposite angle. C is equal to 40 degree. What? Vertically opposite angle. You are clear with these things? Yeah, B is 60 and for all the three. Yeah, good. Okay, right. And the final example, right? And the final example is this. Yeah. So people are okay. Fine, right? Final example is this. Let's say there are two lines like this. Say a line is intersecting. Okay, just remember, right? If a line, right? If a line intersect two or more straight line, we call it transversal. Transversal. Just remember it, right? If a line intersect two or more straight lines, we call it a transversal, right? Okay. So, and remember one more thing, students. Now, without this line, right, you had nothing. Now you after intersection you see something else. After intersecting there are angles formed here. Now 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3 4 here, right? So after intersecting two straight lines it makes 8 angles in 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, right? So there are certain relationships we are going to study them. I won't be able to do it today, right? So we'll do in the next session, inshallah, right? So what's going to happen here is, now if I give you like this as a, say 60 degree, so this 60 degree, 60 degree, and if I give this as a 50 degree, 50 degree, let's say O, say P, say A, B, say C, D, E, F. If I ask you the magnitude of COP, if I ask the magnitude of COP, can you tell me, student? Okay, try to do it. I'll give you as a question. COP, find COP, and BPF, like this, put BPF, and EPO, yeah, try to find this value. And also it's possible you can find CAOD. Yeah, try to find AOD also. COP, what is COP? COP. Good. Now this is a straight line. So this is a straight line. This is 60 degree. This 60 degree mean what is COP? This is going to be, I'll choose another color for the answer, right? It's going to be 120 degree. 120 degree. 60, 120. Because it is straight line. You have to write the reason. Huh? COP is 120 degree. Within bracket, you write the reason. I write RR, you have to write the reason. Right? So then I was asking you at BPF. Where is BPF? BPF. I am asking you this angle. This is 50. This is 50. This is also straight line. They will add up to 180. No. So this is going to be 130 degree. So you have to write 130 degree within bracket, straight angle, add up to 180 degree. You have to write the reason. Reason is important, right? So or you can write down adjacent angles on a straight line will add up to 180 degree. Okay, then I was asking you EPO. Where is EPO, students? EPO. This 50. So again a straight line. Or you can, this is 130. So this is also 130, right? This is 130. So these two are vertical opposite angles, no? So I can say this is also 130 degree, right? Yeah, I can write two reasons. So I think, right? So 130 degree. No, I didn't still teach them. It's like it's still grade 9 thing. Right? So I in between the next session for them. Right? If I said those things, Yeah. So 130 degree, right? This also within reason you can write a vertical opposite angle, right? Vertical opposite angle. That is also fine. Even straight angles adapt to 180 is fine, right? What is AOD then? And Hamna, you can't use that also here. You can't use that case here because these two lines are not parallel, right? Okay, others don't listen to that, right? AOD, right? AOD, right? AOD, AOD, right? This is 60, so this is 120, 120. Or vertically opposite angles. No, it's true, right? Vertical opposite angle, right? Anyone who is having a problem still within bracket, write the reason, write the reason. Right? Anyone who is having a problem still, right? So don't worry, I'll give you a okay. And wait, I think you have you in your textbook, right? Wait, I'll check the page number. Please give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll check the page number. Don't run away. Page number. Page number. Page number. Where's that? Exercise 8 point. So you can do 8.1. Even you have a review exercise. Okay, Mark, will you have a review exercise, right? You are going to do the review exercise 8.1, right? 8.1 and 8.2 completely, right? You can do a completely, right? 8.2 and yeah, until 8.2, right? Review exercise 8.1 and 8.2. Review exercise 8.1 and 8.2. You can do them completely. You can do them completely, right? So please try to do it, right? Please try to do it. So if you have doubts today itself, try to clear it, or tomorrow, right? Yeah, it's better if you try it, right? So today or tomorrow, fine. Which one, Zainab? I think this one. How 120 came? How? No, Akmal, I'm not that interested in movies. Like on and off when I watch. Like I'm not much interested in watching movies now, right? So now this is 60 degree. Hamna, like who was asking me that? Zainab, like this 60 degree, right? So this was not given. It's a straight line. In a straight line, straight angle will adapt to 180 degree. Or adjacent angles in a straight line will adapt to 180. So this is 60 means, right? So 60 plus some angle is 180 now, right? 60 plus this angle is 180. That is 120. So I found that to be 120 degree, right? So I found this to 120. So how did I say this is 120 means because these are two intersecting straight line. That means these two are vertically opposite angle. Or you can think in another way. Now it's a straight line, right? So this varies, students. The way of thinking can different from one another. Right? So it's not a problem unless you are getting the proper answer. Other person can think this as a straight line. This is 60 degree. You know that this will adapt to 180 degree now. So this is going to be 120 degree. Then only it will be 180 degree. Straight line, straight angle means 180 degree now. You got that, Zainab? Yeah, fine. So we'll end up the meeting, right? So the next part, that's like very important thing. Even this is very important, right? So be thorough in these things. So you have to study something more, right? So we'll end up the session. Thank you.